You want to start your truck now?
In a minute.
I think you need to shot a gin there.
Why, is my knife shaking again?
Yeah, it's shaking.
Son of a bitch. That brisket's too hot anyway. Where's that fucking gin?
It's right there in the trunk.
Hot! Oh, that's right.
Oh, you're back.
He quit drinking a long time before that. He probably had a beer 20 years.
I mean, a lot of work.
Well, this has been over that. He come down there the next day, wanna know where I got all them big
And you need to have them download the maps and stuff in them, and then you can change whatever you want. You know, like you want a different voice, you put in a different voice.
Anyway, our daughter was supposed to do that in a bike. Broke that one's leg, and then we had to get him. They might have gone 20 miles or 10 miles. They went nuts. We were sitting there just having a good time. And just
salads.
They went nuts.
Stuff, yeah.
Or blackberry coffee.
There ain't no more blackberry coffee.
I'd say, you know, she wants me to. Yeah, how do you get them in the channel? Just she wants me to go ahead. Down about a year? No, I need to turn left.
Trick them.
And I turned left.
Bait them with feed.
I realized, no, I should have
Well, the hardest part of our party is actually getting the hogs dressed up in there so we
That
can
man
kill
got
them.
me out of a cornfield.
One thing
I
that's
know,
been
put
good
you in the
today.
cornfield in the first place.
10 years ago, I'd get in there and get 150
Well, no, you can't
hogs
think
out
that.
of
You got stuck in the cornfield. You didn't know your way out. Then what? Just look at that pasture back up to the you get them the door
Yeah,
open.
we do this every night.
when we want them to come in there,
You
yeah.
showed me all the pictures. That was rough last year.
But you got a bunch of them, if you're trying, let's say, get this one and this one in there.
No, Bill told me that they just had somebody else do the cooking the next year. And I bet you it wasn't near as good.